Every day, millions of men step out of the shower believing they are perfectly clean. The reality is that the moment the water strikes the surface, they are subjecting their most sensitive skin to a daily dose of chemical warfare. We have been conditioned to think that smelling like a pine forest means we are hygienic. We grab the strongest, most heavily scented body washes on the shelf, assuming that a harsher scrub equals a deeper clean. Looking at this cross-section of the skin barrier, you can see how those aggressive soaps break down the lipid layer. They strip away your body's natural defense mechanisms, causing microscopic dryness and leaving the vulnerable inner cellular tissue completely exposed. But the damage caused by heavy soaps is only part of the problem. If you ignore a highly specific 10-second maintenance step during your routine, you are creating an environment for a localized medical nightmare. That feeling of freshness is incomplete when you have actively compromised your microscopic defenses and left your body open to biological threats. There is a hidden anatomical zone that most men neglect entirely. For those uncircumcised, skipping a brief daily procedure known as the Foreskin Protocol triggers a rapid cascade of biological buildup. This 3D schematic shows what happens when you skip that step. The enclosed pocket accumulates dead skin cells and biological oils, forming smegma. Left uncleaned, it turns into a highly active breeding ground where bacteria rapidly multiply, inviting chronic infections at your most sensitive anatomy. By failing to clean this specific area, you are actively cultivating a disease state within your own body. Skipping a simple 10-second rinse effectively transforms a normal anatomical feature into a volatile biological hazard zone, setting the stage for long-term cellular damage. Your immune system does not ignore this bacterial invasion. It responds to these recurrent infections by triggering a state of constant, agonizing, localized inflammation. This diagram illustrates that chronic inflammatory state at the cellular level. As the immune system fights a never-ending microscopic battle, the surrounding healthy tissues become warped and damaged by the continuous barrage. This long-term tissue damage serves as a direct biological catalyst, dramatically increasing your risk of developing penile cancer later in life. What makes this rare condition so deadly is basic human psychology. Men who spot a non-healing lesion are often too embarrassed or fearful to consult a urologist, allowing the disease to progress unchecked. The combination of allowing cellular waste to fester and the fear of seeing a doctor creates a completely preventable path to an advanced stage disease. This biological reality is entirely preventable. It requires no medical interventions, only strict adherence to a 60-second protocol in the shower. The first step is to stop the chemical damage. Replace those aggressive, highly scented body washes with a mild, fragrance-free formula to protect your skin barrier. As we look at this clinical diagram of the male pelvis, you can see exactly where to focus your cleaning efforts. Apply that mild soap exclusively to the sweat-heavy zones underneath the penis and the testicles. Step 2 is the daily mechanical maintenance. For uncircumcised men, this means gently retracting the foreskin to access the hidden biological hazard zones. You must use warm water to carefully rinse around the rim. This physical action completely eliminates the cellular waste buildup. Executing these two basic steps successfully halts the chemical barrier destruction and eliminates the bacterial breeding ground, instantly resecuring your body's primary defense line. The final phase of your defense happens outside of the shower. You must manage the microscopic ecosystem of your skin through rigorous moisture control. After using the bathroom, it is necessary to remove any residual urine or bacteria. Lingering moisture trapped against the skin destroys local cellular health. Next, throw away your tight, synthetic underwear. These fabrics suffocate the skin, actively trap body heat, and breed severe, damaging friction as you move throughout your day. This microscopic comparison reveals why you need environmental upgrades. On the left, synthetic fabric traps heat and moisture directly against your skin. On the right, loose-fitting cotton allows that moisture to safely dissipate into the air. During the summer months, you should also apply a desiccant powder to actively destroy sweat. By dedicating just 60 seconds a day to this biological protocol, you are actively preventing chronic disease and maintaining a healthy, functional skin barrier.